All right, y'all, 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado, and we got a starter for you today, baby. This is the video that you need to see. If you're gonna replace your starter, you're trying to save yourself like $400 in labor, this is it. So let's start by looking at it real fast, okay? So you're gonna have a power wire down there, and you're gonna have one clip, which would be a pigtail. You will need to squeeze it, pull it off. This one's like a 13 millimeter, and then you're gonna have two bolts holding this bad boy on. That's it. So first, let's make sure that we disconnect the power wire on the truck first. You're gonna do this on any vehicle. Disconnect it, and then we're good to go. Let's go ahead and go underneath, and then I'll show y'all what to take off. Now I'm under the passenger side. There is our starter, baby. So what I did was I went ahead and took off that pigtail, which is right there. Let's see if I can get this done and make it simple for y'all to see. Being underneath it, you'll be able to fish your hand underneath the sway bar, and then you're going to squeeze this tab. Boom. Pop that bad boy off, and then that's the only one that we got to get off right there, which is the power wire. I just put me a 13 millimeter ratchet wrench on there. Just like that. We got it broke loose, so we could get it the rest of the way off with our fingers. Now, this is why you're gonna have to disconnect the battery, because as soon as you take off this wire here, it will be live, full of power if it's still connected to the battery. So we'll move that out the way, and then we'll just put our bolt back on there so we don't lose it, just in case we gotta reuse it. Now lastly, we got those two bolts right there, and we'll take those off with a socket wrench. Now this would be a lot easier if you raise the car up, but because I don't feel like using my jack and I'm a small guy, I can fit under here, so I ain't tripping. So wow, this thing's on there super tight. That's one. That's two, baby. So let's go ahead and zip them out. You're gonna want to watch your eyes, because you could get crap in there, and then it's not gonna be fun. I'll tell you that right now, buddy. Oh, last one's coming out right now, and here she blows. Right here, guys. Boom. All right. Oh, we got this heat shield holding on. All right, here it is. 10 millimeter. See, she's already loose. It's actually already out. Ugh, but once I get this little 10 millimeter bolt all the way out, this starter is dropping. Boop. There she is. Ooh. Yeah, let's get that new boy put in there. Whoa. A new starter. All right. Let's put her in there. All right. Let's go. You got it, guys. I know you're watching this while you're doing it. You got it. You can do it. If your dad never told you, I'm telling you. Let's get her back in there. And she is back in there. So let's go ahead and tighten these things on there. Come on. You can. Push. Push. There you go. You act right for daddy. And there she is. Pigtail back on there, shield back on there, 12-volt wire back on there. All right, we finally got it knocked out in 5 minutes and 55 seconds, according to the video anyways. So if you're doing it, you should probably be able to knock this out in double this time. So let's just say 12 minutes. If y'all haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, make sure that you subscribe. I go live about 5 days a week. TikTok, I go live on there too. Facebook, you got to check it out under Puro Mobile Repair Service. And again, stay safe until the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed and I hope it helps y'all out.